Biography of Chandrasekhar Azad, born 23 July 1906, place of birth Bhabra, India, father's name Pandit Sitaram Tiwari, mother's name Jagrani Devi, education Sanskrit Pathshala, Varanasi, association Hindustan Republic Association, HRA, later it was renamed as Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, HSRA movement. He joined Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement. Political ideology: liberalism, socialism and anarchism. Political career: revolutionary leader, freedom fighter and political activist. Died 27 February 1931. Memorial: Chandrasekhar Azad Memorial, Shahid Smarak, Orchha, Tikmgarh, Madhya Pradesh. One of his famous saying: if yet your blood does not rage, then it is water that flows in your veins. For what is the flush of youth, if it is not of service to the motherland? Chandrasekhar Azad. Early life, family, education. He was born on 23 July 1906 in Bhabra, Madhya Pradesh, and was the son of Pandit Sitaram Tiwari and Jagrani Devi. At Bhavra he received his early education, and for higher studies he went to Sanskrit Pathshala, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. He got involved in revolutionary activities at a very young age. Mahatma Gandhi that time launched a non-cooperation movement and he joined it. He got his first punishment at an age of 15 years when he was caught by the Britishers and sentenced to 15 whiplashes. After this incident, he assumed the title of Azad and became famous as Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad. Revolutionary activities: Jallianwala Bagh massacre, 1919, deeply disappointed Chandrasekhar Azad. Mahatma Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement in 1921 and Chandrasekhar Azad participated actively in it. But due to the Chauri Chaura incident, Gandhiji suspended the non-cooperation movement in February 1922. That came as a blow to the nationalist sentiments of Azad. He then decided that a fully aggressive course of action was more suitable for his desired outcome. Please subscribe my channel. He joined a radical association named the Hindustan Republican Association and took part in several violent activities including the Kakori train robbery, 1925, and killing of a British police officer, 1928. He was known for his organizational skills and played a key role in reorganizing the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. He wanted complete independence for India in any which way. To take revenge on the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, he killed the British Assistant Superintendent of Police John Poyntz Saunders. His crimes made him a wanted man, but he was able to elude the police for several years. He was constantly on move because of police capturing. On 27 February 1931, he arranged a meeting with revolutionaries at Allahabad's Alfred Park, now Chandrasekhar Azad Park. He was betrayed by one of his associates and was besieged by the British police. He fought with bravery, but seeing no other way to escape, he shot himself and fulfilled his pledge of not being caught alive. He was the mentor of Bhagat Singh. To commemorate the bravery of Chandrasekhar Azad, after independence, Alfred Park in Allahabad was renamed as Chandrasekhar Azad Park. Several patriotic films were also made that depicted the character of Chandrasekhar Azad, like in Rang De Basanti film Amir Khan portrayed the character of Chandrasekhar Azad, etc. He lived only for 25 years, but his role played in India's independence is not forgettable and inspired several Indians to take part in India's freedom struggle. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share.